From the graph, we can derive the law of variable proportion. From the graph, look at the graph carefully and you will observe the behavior of the variable. From the graph, we can derive the law of variable proportion. The classical or traditional explanation of the behavior of production, as illustrated by Marshall, was in the form of law of returns. The law of variable proportion states that as more and more units of a variable factor are applied to the given quantity of fixed factors, the total product may increase at an increasing rate initially, but eventually it will increase at a diminishing rate. That is, the marginal product of the variable input will eventually decline. I repeat, law of variable production, variable proportion states that, law of variable states that as more and more units of a variable factor are applied to a given quantity of fixed factors, the total product may increase at an increasing rate initially, but eventually it will increase at a diminishing rate, and the marginal product of the variable input will eventually decline. I'm coming to the TP. This can be derived from the graph. It can be derived from the schedule. That is clear to you. But once more I'm coming it. This is, say, number of labors. We can see that it says that as long as we increase the number of labor, this is output. As long as we keep increasing the number of labor, it will start increasing. We increase the variable output number of labor, we can see the steep increase in the output, and then there is diminishing returns. The first one is increasing returns, and then in diminishing returns, it is increasing at a decreasing rate, increasing at a decreasing rate, and then there is a fall. If the variable factor is increased, then this is the characteristics of TP. MP and AP also has the same factor. The law of variable proportion focus on this behavior of the variable factor, labor. And once more I tell you, as the number of variable factors keep on increasing, the total product or the other output will keep on increasing at an increasing rate, and then at a increase at a diminishing rate, and then this will fall. This is called law of variable proportion, and that is the last concept I've dealt with you today. And thank you for listening to me. Next day we'll be taking a new concept. May God keep you blessed. May God keep you healthy.